They haven't come down for the apple, so I'm just going to sneak up on them, and they'll let me get about a metre before they want to fly off. So I'm just going to have to do it. There's one. If I get them both in the same shot. Hello. I have to review the footage to see how that went. And now would be a good opportunity to do the tree so that if there's any mites on this tree from the birds that visit every day, then this will fix up that situation. Going to be a bit wary coming back now, I'd say, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do, don't you? Go and review the footage and see how I went.